Big changes in business credit that you need to know. Chase business credit cards are making mistakes. BOI filing rules have been overturned for now, and virtual addresses could be getting you denied. If you're serious about getting funding for your business, this video is for you. Let's break it all down fast. First up, Chase. Some business credit cards have been mistakenly reporting to personal credit. If this has happened to you, don't panic. This should be correcting itself in a billing cycle or two, but if it doesn't, call Chase and request a review. Chase is still in a great lending mood and they have lots of options as far as business credit cards. So even though this gentleman from our community doesn't think that this is a glitch, I believe it's a mistake that's going to be fixed within 1 to 2 cycles. Next, the BOI filing has been overturned. But don't get too comfortable. It could come back in the future, so be ready. If you're waiting to see what happens before filing, you just bought yourself some more time. So what does that mean for you? Less compliance headaches for now, but always stay ahead of these changes. Need a business credit card? These banks are showing up strong right now. Number 1 is Truist. Next up, Financial Resources Federal Credit Union. Then we have M&T Bank. And lastly, Citizens. Pro tip, open a business checking account before you apply for either their business lines of credit or their business credit cards, both of which are no doc, meaning you do not have to show financials. Why? Backyard banks are all about building community relationships. Oftentimes, you'll have better odds of getting approved with these local banks, and they're a lot more relationship based. Low credit score? No problem. A credit partner can help. How? Set them up with 85 to 95% ownership on your LLC temporarily. Apply for funding, then adjust ownership later. You don't need to give up full control of your business, just a strategic percentage. This is how I got business credit, even though my personal credit wasn't great in the beginning. Just make sure you have a plan to get your credit partner off the hook for the debt. If this video is helping you so far, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Another great bank that you can get funding from today is PNC Bank. They're in a good lending mood. They're a portfolio lender or backyard bank, meaning they lend their own money. And they're offering 0% APR for 13 months. Now that's not just on new purchases, but also balance transfers. That's huge. If you want a full list of my favorite banks, I have a $7 database of the top 446 lenders. They're local banks that you may have never even heard of. And the local bank database includes my free training. Link in the description. A lot of people are getting denied for using virtual addresses on applications. They're getting denied from the Secretary of State, Net 30 vendors, and banks, including backyard banks and larger national banks like Chase or Amex. Fix this by using one of these instead. Use your home address with a suite, for example, Suite 1 or Suite A. Or you can use a shared office space. Many realtors, title companies, attorneys, even a chiropractor have office space. Oftentimes they're not using their office entirely. You can very easily work out a shared office agreement. This video goes into more detail on that. Now, some virtual addresses work better than others, but lenders may flag your address as non-legit. This will lead to automatic denials. All right, quick recap. Check your Chase business credit cards for any reporting errors, stay updated on BOI filing, open accounts at the right banks, and use a credit partner if needed. Avoid virtual address denials. This is how you get business credit the right way.